Welcome back to the Auto Petrol channel you've been waiting for in the best car reviews in America. Apocalypse Manufacturing is the name given to this vehicle. The 2024 Ram 1500 raises the standard higher than ever before, offering some of the greatest utility on the market. Ram has outdone itself with its latest addition to their lineup, leaving the competition in the dust. The Ram 1500 2024 is a workhorse that can handle anything thrown at it. The Ram 1500 2024 is a full-size truck competing with the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra 1500, and Toyota Tundra. The Ram 1500 is projected to remain mostly unchanged in 2024, while an electric version will be available for the 2025 model year. That model is evaluated independently. Ram 1500 2024 is equipped with a standard 3.6L V6 engine capable of producing up to 305 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. However, if you want a more powerful engine, you can choose the 5.7L Hemi V8 with e-torque mild hybrid technology. The improved system generates 395 Tenaga CUDA and 410 lb-ft of torque for a payload capacity of up to 12,750 pounds. The 2024 Ram 1500 offers more than enough strength and power to get you through practically any adventure, with a towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds when equipped with the optional 5.7L Hemi V8 engine with e-torque. A king-size cabin. It is not termed luxury for no reason. Soak up the sun under a double-panel panoramic sunroof with 10 square feet of open sky while blasting music from the Harman Kardon Premium Audio System's 19 powerful 900-watt speakers, ideal for on-the-go listening. Carefully constructed storage options. In-floor covered storage bins, available only on crew cab models, can handle a 4-inch drop hitch and have removable liners for easy cleaning. They also have a molded-in 15-inch ruler and 2 tie-downs to assist keep cargo safe and secure. Prepared and well-organized. This adaptable and reconfigurable center console compartment has enough space to carry a 15-inch laptop, hang file folders, and keep important stuff organized and accessible. Lock down and let up. Keep regularly used things in the accessible upper glove compartment and valuables in the lockable, secure lower glove compartment. Keep important goods close at hand in door pockets with recessed LED lights. Rambox Cargo Management System is available. The 2024 Ram 1500 is outfitted to keep you moving. Rambox Cargo Management System provides adaptable, illuminated, and secure outside storage. Tailgate and trailer hitch light multifunction. The 60/40 split swing-away doors on the optional multifunction tailgate can swing open 88 degrees even when trailering, or open down to a standard flat 180 degrees and withstand up to 2,000 pounds of weight. The included trailer hitch light allows you to see your trailer hitch clearly and hands-free even in low light settings. thank you to all our loyal viewers for spending time watching our channel. Never forget to like and follow my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel.